Most hosts still believe that strict cancellation policy equals protection. In late 2025, Airbnb quietly rolled out sweeping policy changes across hundreds of thousands of listings, and many Boostly hosts are already seeing unpredictable cancellations because of it. If you don't shift strategy now, guest flexibility could cost you months of lost revenue. If you'd rather own your own booking rules, not be at the mercy of Airbnb, check out the link below. I'll give you the full blueprint of all the words that we've ever created in one easy download. Okay, so here's what's changed and why it matters for you. Airbnb officially retired strict cancellation policy for all new listings as of October 2025. Existing listings that had strict are being automatically migrated onto a new policy called Firm. On top of that, every booking now comes with a 24-hour free cancellation window, no matter what cancellation policy is in place. So a guest could book your place today and cancel a few hours later and pay $0. So your calendar looked blocked, now it might just be empty. That's booking insecurity 2.0. So consider Jenna. She was a Boostly host in Lisbon. She had a fully booked week in June under strict. Then if the migration hit, a guest cancelled 24 hours after booking, her week stay now was empty. No swift rebooking you, and the revenue fell. So what do the guests get now? They get flexibility, low risk, more bookings, at least on paper. What you get: vitality, uncertainty, empty nights, stress. If you rely on volume, maybe it balances out. If you care about calendar stability, especially for peak dates, this shift will hurt. Now more than ever, hosts need a backup plan where cancellation policy, deposit, and payments are under your control, not Airbnb's. If you'd rather lock in revenue and avoid that calendar roulette, then check out what we're doing at Boostly in the link below. We give you all the tools that you need so you can get bookings direct with you, which is in your terms, your cancellation policies, and not Airbnb's. Flexible bookings for guests are fine, but your income shouldn't flex up and down with every guest's whim. Here are steps you should take now. So number one, audit your listing. Check if your policy has automatically migrated to Firm. Avoid assuming bookings are locked. If you wait the 24 window out before treating a guest as confirmed. For peak dates, consider minimum stays or non-refundable rates. If cancellations hit, act fast, reopen dates, or lower the prices quickly to refill. Airbnb rewrote the rules. You can keep reacting or you can build it on your own terms. Again, Boostly gives you that path. You define the rules, you keep the revenue, because flexibility for guests should not mean fragility for you. If any of this made sense and if you'd like to chat, there's a link in the description below. And of course, if you would like to grab our blueprint on how you can increase your direct bookings, go grab that link in below. YouTube has recommended that you watch this video next. Go ahead and click on that and it'll teach you more about the beauty of direct bookings.